Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oketo koke puodho orak mar siling bilion 27 ne jogedo mag chenro mar keyo teko stima e counties 32 ma Thurka. Chenro no mar keyo stima osir gi riwruoge mopogore opogore kendo geto keyo stima ne familia ma kwan gi ok tin ne 280.
And also request that Wilfred Mwiti be on standby.
Yes. The signing of the works contract of Bonjour the electricity network up to
was so prohibitive that nobody was.
We are firmly on course to achieving 100% connectivity by 2030. As I speak, we are working on a similar connectivity program worth 22 billion in partnership with AFD and the Kingdom of Saudi to connect another 270,000 Kenyans to electricity. So, apart from the 280,000 that this program is going to connect, there is another 270,000. We are in the final stages of that program because I made a commitment to the people of Kenya and I want to deliver on that commitment.